This is Haitian Creole.
Bonsoir, comment y?
And that is French.
Bonsoir, comment ça va?
So clearly, they sound different. Haitian Creole and French are not the same, even though the vast majority of Haitian Creole words come from French. Let's focus on their key differences, particularly in spelling, verbs, and of course, their origins, which has a significant impact. For spelling, Haitian Creole is strictly phonetic, with no silent letters. The way you see a word is how you pronounce it. French pronunciation is more intricate. Consider the phrase, I want 2 apples. In French, that would be, je veux 2 pommes. Notice how the E and S in pomme are silent. In Creole, that same phrase would be, moi v'le des pommes. As you can see, every letter is pronounced. And now for verbs. Haitian Creole verbs stay the same regardless of who or what you are referring to. But in French, verbs are conjugated more often. Let's go back to our phrase and focus on the verb to want. In French, the conjugation of that verb is je veux, tu veux, il veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent. As you can see, the verb changes depending on who you are referring to. In Creole, the conjugation of that verb is simply moi v'le, vous v'le, li v'le, nous v'le, yo v'le. Notice how the verb stays the same regardless of who you are referring to. French and Haitian Creole have completely different origins. French originated from a mixture of Latin, Gallic, and Frankish languages. Haitian Creole, on the other hand, is of course influenced by French, but also highly influenced by West African languages, and to a lesser extent, the Taino peoples who were living in Hispaniola. So, because of all of this, Haitian Creole sounds very different from French, to the point where a native French speaker may not necessarily understand what is being said in Haitian Creole. So overall, Haitian Creole and French are very similar, but there are differences in the verbs, the way the language sounds, and the origin of the language itself, which greatly contribute to all of this, make them 2 distinctive languages. Now for simple Haitian Creole lessons, please visit howtocreole.com. Subscribe and thanks for watching.